Magandang araw. This is Dondon Yamat Takbad, aspiring blogger, influencer, and soon-to-be successful businessman. I have a I have a story to tell about a certain player in a tennis world. Before, she is just a, she is just a simple girl or a Filipina from Quezon City. Let's talk about Alex Ayala. Alex Ayala was born in Quezon City in 2005 at the day of March, May 23. Okay. He studied at San Juan Academy and then in Makati. After that, when she was 13 years old, she decided to go to Spain and enrolled Rafa Nadal at Rafa Nadal Academy, where she trained to be a best female tennis player. You heard it right. She made name in Miami Open last year, 2025, and become semifinalist. She broke the social media. This girl is not the future. She is. She is the present best Filipina player we have right now. Alright, please support Alex Ayala in her journey to be the best female Filipina tennis player. To be the best. Alright, let's go.